We're in the land of enchantment, Sante Fe, New Mexico.
This is not Mexican food. This is New Mexican food.
Our cocineros today are Chef Leslie Chavez
When you're from New Mexico and you smell that chili roasting, it smells like home.
and Martin Rios.
Duck fat helps tamales from getting too heavy.
I like the way you roll. You're saying that the duck fat is going to keep it nice and light.
Right.
We're sourcing microgreens and honey from a local farm overseen by a benevolent queen.
Oh, and look here. This is a baby bee being born.
Oh my God, that's
Incredible.
amazing.
Look at that. And take a side trip to the town of Chimayo, where chili isn't just a spice,
It's almost addictive.
and it is potent. Dude. I didn't know that you were going to kill half the crew.
Come home.
And together, we're throwing a homecoming reunion of sorts, where cultures collide and old friends and kids of old friends and families get together in one big, beautiful, blue corn, cheese-filled, chili-drenched enchilada.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.
Baby, come home.